Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. Today I wanted to share a little grocery haul that I did from Publix. So come along and let's unpack these groceries. Let's start off strong with some chocolate chip cookies. If you know my girl, you know she loves cookies, so I try to get them every couple of weeks. Then I have some sourdough bread. My husband's supposed to be making some. We're not there yet, so we'll just buy some for now. It's fine. We have rotini pasta. I like to change my pastas up a little bit. I don't know. It's just fun to do. Bananas. My daughter eats a banana every single day with her cereal. And then our family is a huge fan of pineapple. I feel like it's like everyone's favorite fruit around here. Chicken cutlets, you can do so many things with these. Chicken piccata, chicken, just breaded chicken cutlets. They're such a good thing to have. Mozzarella shredded cheese. I really don't have a preference on cheese. I kind of go what's on sale. These were BOGO this week, so that's what I did. Sometimes I will get the block of cheese and shred it. Just depends on the price. Then we have heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna make an Alfredo sauce for dinner, so I need that. This was a special request by my son, so he's not going to be happy that they're in a bottle, but that's what they had. So you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. That's our motto here in the Moss household. So I don't care what kind you like, but I need to know, what is your greatest to least? Do you like it better in the can, in the bottles, from McDonald's? Like, what is your preference? I know our preference here, I personally don't really drink Coke anymore, but our preference is cans. So this might cause a ruckus later, but that's okay. These are for my daughter's lunches. You know, everybody needs a little sweet treat every once in a while. I have red onion, yellow squash, zucchini. I love to add that to my Alfredo sauce. Some burrata cheese. This is so good to cook with. Parmesan cheese, because I think I might bread some of the chicken cutlets with grated Parmesan. Then I have some strawberries. If you're picking up what I'm putting down, you might recognize a recipe. If not, we'll make sure we link it. Sourdough, strawberries, burrata cheese. Let me know if you know what I mean. We have some Caesar salad chopped kits. These are perfect for lunches or just to throw as a side for a dinner. And this is my family's favorite, is Caesar salad. And then I got something different this time, breadsticks. We typically do like Texas toast. My husband does not like garlic knots, so let's see if he likes the breadsticks. But it's a very small haul this time. We're like middle of the week and we just needed a few extra things to get us through the end of the week before I start thinking about next week's dinner ideas. I don't know about you guys, but I am not good at like meal prepping for a week long. Sometimes, I mean, we have things in the fridge I can make, but sometimes I just think of something in the middle of the day. I'm like, ooh, that would be really fun for tonight. And then we might have a meeting that comes up and I can't do some elaborate meal that I had planned. So that's why tonight I'm gonna do some breaded chicken cutlets with an Alfredo. It's gonna be amazing. So comment down below, let me know, are you a meal prepper or do you just kind of go with the flow as the week progresses? Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Thanks for joining me along with my grocery haul. I can't wait to hear, where do you guys shop for your groceries? I'd love to know. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys.